Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to record videos using Canvas. The first thing that you need to do is logging into Canvas. I will be opening my dashboard in Canvas, and once it's open, you will see in the navigation bar on the left one icon that says Studio. I will click on Studio here, and that will take me to the place where I can record videos using Canvas. As you probably will see in a few minutes, I have so many other videos on my Canvas that I already record or load, because you can also record a video using your iPad, your cell phone, anything, and then upload it to Canvas. Okay, I'm going to start with the record. And you have two choices here. Screen capture is for capturing your screen and record what you have in your screen, and the webcam capture, that will be only using your webcam for recording yourself or something else, maybe an experiment or something else you want to share with your student. I want to start with the screen capture here, clicking on this one. And if this is the first time that you are opening your studio, you need to install a program. They will point you to install a program. And as you can see, there is a frame around here that you can modify, like a smaller, bigger, depending on your needs. And that will let you record a particular area on your screen. You don't have to record everything that you can see on the screen. So you can have the screen, you can use the webcam, or both. I'm going to use a screen only because I'm recording this video using another application that the name of that application is Screencastify. Is based on Google Chrome, but I'm going to explain only this one. So once you click on record, they give you some time to start, and now you can start recording your video. This is an interesting thing. You can use the pointer. You can also record a sound that you have in your video, and then when you're ready, when you finish, you just stop for a moment. You can continue recording if you want, and then if you are not happy, you can play back. But if you are not happy, you can delete the recording and start over. They can say yes, start over, because once you play your short video, you don't feel like this is the right one, or you say no, and this is the way you will preview what you already recorded. And when you are ready, you say done, and when they say done, they will ask you for title. I will call test 5, just to give a name. And the description is recording Canvas, or recording videos with Canva. And then I will click upload, and it will take some time to load the video to your Canvas. As you can see, the bar is showing you the progress of the uploading process. We had to wait until they complete upload to the Canvas. It will depend. Oh, I need to retry. Maybe my internet connection is not good enough. Let me retry. And they say, please check your antivirus. Okay, they say upload successful, and then continue. And yes, I had the test number 5 here. When I open that one, you can have the chance to select captions by clicking the language you want the caption to be done. And I have 18 minutes only, so let's request, and they will start generating the caption for you. After they finish, you can edit and modify your caption. It will take some time. And this is another option that you have on the left here. You can download the same video that you just recorded. You can play the video again. You can share, sending the link to somebody else, or also you can delete. And that's the way you will be recording videos using Canvas. I will recommend you to try and see what happens, because here the generation of caption will take longer than the time that I want to spend explaining that. But once you try that, you will see below they will show you the translation or the conversion for uh, caption, and you can edit, you can modify if by any chance your um, oral expression doesn't match your caption translation. You can edit as many times as you want. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.